己慢慢学着想。
What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Ming, and today, as we can see in the title, we are going to draw a calendar, a monthly calendar together. So the point is, I will be using this to make a colorful monthly calendar. Like, one point of making a calendar is make your life more organized, because we all have important medical appointments, your exams, and like something like that. So it's oh, my lashes. And the second point of making a colorful calendar is that like, these colors will be more distinguished for our human eyes. Imagine that when you're browsing a website, if that's like all black and white and gray, we'll lose interest immediately. So why not just use the colors that will make your own calendar? Process is actually joyful. Like, the purpose of living in this world is to make ourselves as happy as possible. So here we go, let's make a colorful calendar together.
금요일 늦은 저녁 다들 들떠 있는데 나만 우울한가 봐. 기운이 안 나. 사실 조금 짜증나. 너와 나 사이 거리 바로 옆자리 거리 멀고 머니 10cm 뭐가 그리 좋은지 아주 신이 나셨네. 나는 오늘도 존재감 없다.
Okay, so that's it. I mean, it doesn't really take much time of you. It's like less than 5 minutes and you feel happy and you make your life more organized. So why not? So just grab some pens and draw some calendars and play with them. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give me a like, please. Okay, thank you. Bye.